Hello Sudoku friends, how are you today? Today, in the daily newspaper on Saturday, December the 7th, we have one beautiful Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. Let me see. I see a lot of sixes, so let's get started with a 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in this column, the only two places for a 6 should be here or there, but I see here a 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then a 7, yes, a 7 in this column, a 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for a 7 is here or there, but I see here already a 7, no 7 here. 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only three places for a 7 is here, here, or there. But I see here a 7, so no 7 there. I see there a 7, so no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between, the middle row, the only two places for a 7 is here or there. But I see here already a 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the middle column, the only three places for a 7 is here, here, or there. But I see here already a 7, so no 7 there. I see here a 7, so no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then in this big square, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, and 5. I see here 2, so no 2 in these two boxes. 1 box is left for the 2. Should be this one. Here 1 and 5, 1 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Then a 4 in this row, a 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for a 4 is here or there. But I see here a 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So in the column between, the second column, the only two places for a 4 is here or there. But I see here already a 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 in this row. 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for a 3 is here. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here a 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. I see there a 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box is left for the 9, and that is this one. Then 1, 2, 3 boxes, 3 missing numbers in the second column. The numbers are 1, 9, I see. 1, 9, and 6. 1, 9, and 6. I see here 1 and 6, so this should be a 9. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Here we have a 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 3, 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for a 6 is here. 3. Four in this row, 4 in the last row. So in this row, the only place for a 4 is here. Then these two numbers for this big square are for the numbers 1 and 5. I know that earlier, 1 and 5. That means these two numbers for this row, 1 and 5, this should be 3 and 3 and 8. 3 and 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. That means these two numbers for this big square, the numbers are left for the numbers 9 and 5. That means in this row, 9 and 5, one missing box for the number 8. Yes, 8. Then two numbers left for this big square, 2 and 3. I see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes here. 1 and 5 and 5 and 9. 5. 6 in the middle row, 6 in the row below. So in this row, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for a 6 is here, here, or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. I see here 6, so no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be here. Then let me think. It's not easy. 9, 5 and 2 and 1, 5 and yes, this column we have 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 5, and 9. 1, 5, and 9. I see here 1 and 9, so this should be a 5. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Remember that? I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. So numbers 1 and 9. 5, 9 and 5. 9 and 5 and 1. Ooh, alright, okay, let me think here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for 4 is here or there. But I see here already are 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for 4 is here or there. I see here already a 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3, 8. 3, 8, and 2. Yes. Yes. This column, the last column, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, and 8. 1, 2, and 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. I see there an 8, so no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be here. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Yes. Then, let me think. 3. What is the following number I can use? 9. Something with the 9. No. 5. 9, 9, 5, 9, 5, 9, 5, 9, 5. 9, 1, 9, 1, 9, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. What am I missing? 8. The 3. Can I do something with the 3? 3, 3. 3. 3, 3, 3. Well. 1, 2, 2, 2, 5. I'm missing something. I do not know what. 6, the 8. Yes, the 8. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So in this column, the only 2 places for an 8 should be this one or that one. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for an 8 is here or there, but I see here already an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 9. I see here a 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and then 1 goes there. 1 number left for this column is number 1. Then 2 numbers left for the second row for the numbers 2 and 3. I see there 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 3 and 1. I see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here a 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 missing number in this middle column for the number 9. Yes, 9. 2 missing numbers for the numbers 5 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. In this column we have a 9. In this row we have a 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 9 should be here. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. Now we have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be there, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left for this column for the number 5. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 2 goes here. 1 number left for this row for the number 2. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square, the 1 and the 3. Now we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left for this column for the number 2. 1 number left for this column for the number 5, and the final number for this big square left for the number 9. Yes, we finished this in 18 minutes. Alright, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel, and I hope to see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.